Welcome to our step-by-step guide on configuring the BITE5 Advanced unit. In this video, we'll walk you through all the key settings to ensure your device is set up for optimal performance. To begin, power on your BITE5 Advanced unit. Once the device is on, navigate to the configuration icon to enter the configuration menu. From the impedance configuration screen, you can set several important parameters. First, choose the display units, ohms or Siemens. If you select ohms, all impedance values will be shown in ohms. As the battery's capacity decreases, the ohmic value will increase. If you set it to Siemens, impedance will be measured in conductance, and as the battery capacity decreases, the Siemens value will decrease. Next, set the CT source to either internal or parallel. The default setting is internal, which uses the unit's own power source for measurements. If measuring parallel strings, switch to parallel. This allows you to place a 5A CT on the parallel string to measure any test current escaping. Now, let's set the current output. You can select 100 milliamps, 100 milliamps per 700 milliamps, or 700 milliamps. For general battery measurements, 100 milliamps is ideal, but for intercell connections, 100 milliamps per 700 milliamps is recommended. If you need to measure large lead-acid batteries, or if the CT source is set to parallel, 700 milliamps is required. Keep in mind that when using 700 milliamps, the unit is limited to measuring up to 60 volts. You can set the temperature unit to either Celsius or Fahrenheit. The BITE5 Advanced measures temperature at the negative lead, and this is suitable for valve-regulated lead-acid, VRLA, batteries. Next, configure the voltage polarity setting. Select Accept to record DC voltage polarity accurately. Ensure the positive lead is on the positive post and the negative lead on the negative post. If you choose Disregard, the unit won't track polarity, allowing flexibility in lead placement. However, for temperature and impedance readings on VRLA batteries, the negative lead must be on the negative post. If you're working with a noisy system, use the noise avoidance feature. This adjusts the output frequency of the unit to help stabilize impedance readings. Select the Etc. tab to configure additional settings such as language, date format, and display brightness. You can also set the display off, which will automatically turn off the display after a period of inactivity, saving battery life. To adjust the unit's time, simply select Time. You can also customize the buzzer volume to your preference for audible alerts. Use the Auto P-Off feature to automatically turn off the unit after inactivity, conserving battery life. If you've installed a new SD card, select Format to prepare it for use. Be cautious, as this will erase all data on the card. Finally, if you need to restore the unit to its original factory settings, you can select Reset. This will reset all configurations to their default settings. And that's it. You've now configured your BITE5 Advanced unit for optimal performance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy testing.